Ban Zhu from Huawei. Honor to have you, sir. Thank you very much. Ban is going to talk about the intelligent ban.
Yeah, so it is interesting. My name is Fan. So I worked for Fan and I designed Fan.
That's great.
It was written in the stars, wasn't it?
So now we all know that access network have developed for several decades from the POS, from the DSL and the PON technology, but nowadays we will enter the AI era. So how the access network, the fixed access network to seize the opportunity of the AI era. So today I will share my point of view on why we need AI in access network and what we can do in the AI access network. So introduce myself again. My name is Fan Xu. So you can call me Fan. That means also work in the fixed access network, and I designed this, and I'm the chief architect of the access network of Huawei. Yeah. First, let me see that the AI becomes a consensus of telecom operators and OTTs. We can see both in the MWC 2025 in Barcelona and in the February and in Shanghai just last week. The AI is continue to be the hottest topic at the MWC. So they focus on about 3 areas of the AI. The first is the AI agent. Second is that unified entry of the AI. And the third is the AI unite all. That means we need an AI platform that can provide the several services for our customers. And actually, the AI technology is developed very fast than everyone think. I will take a case, for example. In the February, the AI, the embodied intelligence in China, that means the AI robot can judge the dance. And in the last month, they hold a competition for the AI robot fighting. Yeah, last month. So it can show that it's developed very fast than everyone think. So in our access network, I think we must seize this opportunity to let the customers experience and more and more valuable. The second is the AIGC, that the AI general content requires the differential of the network to guarantee the premium experience. So this is some AIGC content. The first is text generation, and now is the multi-mode generation. And it requires not only the bandwidth to 8 Mbps or 100 Mbps, but also need a deterministic or differentiated RTT delay, less than 15 milliseconds or less than 20 milliseconds. And on the right, we can see that the gap of the AI agent is exceed about 17%, and the area of the AI agent is not only in the to B or to C area, but also to the to H, that means to home area. So in the home, there were various of agent here. For example, the security agent and the health agent, education agent, and accomplish agent. The third is that the operator strategy at home. The operator strategy at home is from the AI plus service to the AI agent. Here's an example for about some operators strategy. And the left side is now the AI plus service, for example, plus AI plus the FTTR, AI plus the connection, and AI plus the video, AI plus home care, and AI plus data storage. But unfortunately, the AI plus service is not grow as much as we expect, but it actually is decreased. decreased. So how to solve this problem and how to make the home network increase again? I think the answer is the AI agent. That is the new engine of the home service that will make our operator to seize the AI entry with the AI agent. So the AI agent will have several parts. The first is on the cloud. We can see on the right side there's an agent ecosystem. There is on the cloud, for example, the video, the home security, and so on. And in the home, I think there's a local hub in the home. So for the data center, data storage in the home, and the communication center, and the control center, and even the intelligent compute center in the home. So from that side of the trend of the AI and the trend of the access network, we think that the access network must evolve to AI access network. That means as is we call that FAN. So the next generation of the fixed access network, we can call it AI fan. Yeah. So they are complete about three dimensions. And the first is as is before, there's a connective service entry. And at the AI fan, it will evolve to agentic AI. That means it's the AI service entry, not just a connection. And the second is the best effort bandwidth for the traditional fan. But in the AI fan, that will be assured. Assured means that we'll have the deterministic experience of every app or every customer. And the third dimension is autonomous. Autonomous everyone have just many think on this technology for the ADN-L4 to ADN-L5, and these three characteristics will have the business upgrade and the technical upgrade for the access network. First, let's see the agentic AI. The agentic AI will have the opportunity to let our operator to seize the port of the home in the AI service, and that will accelerate the intelligence to evolution. So we can see at the top of the left side is that some service with AI, for example, the IPTV and the AI cloud storage or the home security, and in the middle of the side is the LLM. LLM, that means large language model. But the large language model not only just the operator self-developed large language model, but it must be support the third parties large language model. Last week I was in Paris. France. Yeah, I see a large language model called Mistral in here, and I have tried that large language model. I think it's very useful for us to get the knowledge to solve some problems. Yeah, so I think our operators should have to support the third parties large language model, not only use your self-development. So in the bottom of the agentic AI is the FTTR. That means the home hub plus entry. In the past, the FTTR is just a connection hub in the home. They offer the Wi-Fi carriage in the home only, and solve the connection problems for our customers. But now the FTTR in the AI area will evolve also to the AI FTTR. That means we will have the FTTR will have the intelligent or how to say that is the AI computing power in it. That will support some AI applications on the FTTR. In the right side is that how the AI agent surveys like the cloud and the synergy with the device. On the top is the cloud. That means have some media agent, security agent, and education agent. That agent is all on the cloud that we call that a cloud service agent. How this agent must have the connection with the device. That means in the local interaction agent, it will deploy on the FTTR or on the CPE and on some other device in your home. That will have the device and the cloud synergy. With this technology, I think the agent in your home and the agent in the cloud can be coordinated very properly. The second of the AI fan or the AI fixed network is assured. So you may see that why we put the 15G PON in this slides to show that assured is 15G PON. Why? Because we all know that AI has three elements. The first is computing power. The second is algorithm. The third is data. But in my opinion, the network is the fourth element for the AI. So why the network is the fourth element to the AI? Because the AI must be connected by the network from the cloud, from the edge, from the device in the home. The cloud, that means we all know that cloud have the very huge computing power in the cloud. It can run so many large language model and so on. But if all the AI power is on the cloud, that means you must need so much more bandwidth and to let the device to touch the cloud AI power. So we think that the IoT is the best place to put the edge AI power. So because our IoT is very near to our customer, the longest distance I think IoT to our device to our customer is 20 kilometers. Within the 20 kilometers, the latency will have decreased to 1 millisecond and lower, even lower. So I think the edge power on the IoT on the 15G PON is necessary in the AI access network. And the third AI power is in the home, as I just mentioned. So in the network, there are three levels of AI power in the network. So how to coordinate it? How to coordinate the AI power in the home, and the edge and the cloud? The network is very, very important. So 15G PON have the high bandwidth, as just some experts mentioned that we can use the 15G PON as a hardware slicing. That means we will allocate a certain bandwidth in the 15G PON and for the AI data transmission. Yeah. So that's why we call that end-to-end 15G PON that can enable the assured network for AI. And also in customer size, there are always high value users and who are willing to pay the top of the experience. That means there's a customer, if you offer the good experience for them, and they will have the willing to pay for it. And the second dimension of assured is that app flow. The app flow technology that can ensures the differential experience for apps and achievement of the quality on demands. So first, let's look into the scenarios. In the past, the app have a very not have a few various of apps, just the IPTV, voice, or internet. So there's no necessary to use the app flow technology. The bandwidth, the latency, and the jitter is just the missed requirement of these apps. But nowadays, there are so many high requirements the apps. For example, the online education, and the online gaming, and the online conference. This is all required the high bandwidth and the deterministic latency and the low jitter. So if so many apps require the same at the same time, we must need the app flow technology to satisfy every app. Yeah. And the second is the values that the network SLA can be monetization. And in the past, the OTT apps that is in principal network, that this resource is free of charge for all, and the experience cannot be guaranteed. So with the app flow, we can realize the network as a service that can open network APIs to these OTTs and to implement dynamic charging. And the third is the technology. The technology with the app flow is have the new app flow connections. In the past, on the left side, that's the multiple apps use the one shared internet flow. That must have a conflict and interrupt with each other. And then we use the app flow technology in Philippine Japan. We can put one app in one exclusive app flow that will have the deterministic experience for every app. Yeah. So this way, as best effort internet flow before, and then is the app level exclusive app flow now. The third assured is for the intelligent FTR, or we also call that is AI FTR. This FTR can provide deterministic connections for all the AI surfaces. I'll show three cases for the AI FTR. The first is on the left side, that is AI anti-interference, and we'll have the speed rate increase about 20% in the interference scenarios. So how to achieve this speed? That means we must use the AI technology to adjust very much parameters in the Wi-Fi, because we all know that in the Wi-Fi technology, there are about millions of parameters to adjust. But if you adjust the parameters by manual, it will not have the suitable parameter for the scenario. But if you use the AI power to adjust so many parameters, it will get the suitable parameters in a short time. And the second case is the FTR is AI seamless roaming. That means we'll have the zero service interruption. And the third is concurrent performance is up to 5,000 megabps. That will have also an algorithm to until the interference of the main MTTR and the sub FTR. We will know that the Wi-Fi is the technology of a sharing technology, not like other technology that have the independent channel to transport the data. Wi-Fi is a sharing technology. All the station and all the AP can have the right to send the data and receive data. So it must have some interruption from each other. So use this AI technology in the FTTRs that we can coordinate every station every AP together very well and to get high performance. And the bottom of the slides, we show that the key technology of the AI FTTR that we call that C1 architecture. The C1 architecture, AKA, is centralized wireless and optical access network. It's now launched in the ITU-T and is now evolved into from C1 1.0 to C1 1.5. Today, we have no time to give more detail in the C1. And I think if anyone has some interest in the C1 architecture, we'll have some discuss after this meeting. So the last law of dimension of the AI fan is autonomous. Autonomous, that means I want to explain about two dimensions of the autonomous. The first is the intelligent power saving system enable dynamic power consumption control. That will have three steps of the intelligent power saving. The first is virtualization, and the second is management, and the third is to optimization with the real traffic and predict the traffic at the future. So it will also have six level of the power saving, and you use the AI algorithm, the fan level, the board level, and the high speed level, or the port level, chipset level, and in the device level. The second autonomous is the AI operation and maintenance assistance to enable the intelligent operation. So the price marketing insight and the real-time troubleshooting intelligent on-site visit is already exist in the network, and we have already realized it. But the change is it will have the operation. In the right side, it will have the operation and the maintenance agent. This agent will have ability to scenario diagnosing, and will have the automation ability to have all these five functions. And last, I want to do some conclusion about the AI fan. The AI fan that will have the upgrading the home broadband to support AI agent and for the smart home service. So that means in our point of view that our architecture of the access network, both in OLT side or in the CPE side or FTTR side, the architecture of this product should be designed centered with the AI agent, and use the AI agent to give our customer more and more differential or deterministic experience. And in this slides, we show that we'll have some three cases or three opinions. That is now as is the CP is the home gateway, and in the future is the home AI portal. And for the bandwidth is the 1 gigabit, and we have the 10 gigabit package. Yeah. The third is the network device, but in the AI fan generation, the OLT will have the edge compute capabilities. And I think it must be the big change for our OLT and for our CPE or for our ONT. So this shows the whole device in the AI fan, the AI smart home gateway, 15 GPON with the AI computing power, and can connect to the unified cloud OS. That means it can cross device and cross scenario collaboration. So finally, there are some takeaways for us. I hope that will be helpful. The smart home of the future will constitute a hyper-intelligent, human-centric living ecosystem. The AI fan, the AI fixed access network that can empower the evolution from the conventional home broadband to comprehensive smart home service through its three capabilities. The three capabilities is agentic AI, assured, autonomous. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you. Thank you very much.